How to turn on weekly screen time updates on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on weekly screen time updates on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok. Here you will find profile, click on it and then click this three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings and privacy, and then just scroll down. Here you will find digital well-being, and then this one here, weekly screen time updates. All you need to do is just turn it on, click on it, and that's it. Weekly screen time updates have been turned on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.